Now we will learn how to draw hyperbola. Draw hyperbola if the focus is located at a distance of 45 mm from directrix and eccentricity is 5 by 4. Now here, first draw a vertical line named as a directrix of any random length. Mark point C approximately at a center position of the directrix. Now through this point C, draw a horizontal line which should be perpendicular to the directrix called as axis of a length more than 45 mm. Label the directrix as a D dash. Label it as a directrix. Use the letter height approximately 4 to 5 millimeter, and all these letters should be in a capital. Label the axis. Use capital letters to label axis. Now locate focus on axis at a 45 millimeter from directrix or from point C along the axis. Give the distance of this focus F. Locate the distance of the focus point from directrix of a 45 millimeter. Place the dimension above dimension line. Now here we have to locate the vertex V, as the formula for eccentricity is distance of the focus from vertex divided by the distance of a vertex from the directrix. Formula is a 5 by 4. Now the distance of the focus from the vertex have 5 parts of a total 45 millimeter distance. Also, the distance of the vertex from directrix have 4 parts of a total 45 millimeter distances. We are concluding this from a formula of eccentricity, that is 5 by 4. So if we add these two values, then the summation gives a 9. Now we have to divide the total distance of 45 by 9. This gives the answer of 5 millimeter, or sorry 5. So the distance of the focus from the vertex have 25 millimeter, and the same the distance of the vertex from directrix is a 20 millimeter. So here locate the vertex V at a 25 millimeter from the focus. Now locate vertex V. Do the distance of the vertex V from directrix of 20 millimeter. Follow the line dimensions method. Now between vertex and focus point, mark approximately 4 points which should be the equidistance. Now through vertex V, draw a vertical line. Take a VF distance in compass and draw an arc of 90 degree. Now draw a line passing through the point C approximate length. Now the points marked between V and F, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw the vertical lines through these points up to the inclined line. Now label the points as a 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. Now take a distance 1, 1 dash in compass. Take the center F and cut same line, that is cut 1, 1 dash line at 2 points. Take distance 2, 2 dash in compass. Take F as a center and cut line 2, 2 dash at 2 points. Take 3, 3 dash distance in compass. Take F as a center and cut line 3, 3 dash at 2 points. Next, take a distance 4, 4 dash in compass. Take F as a center and cut this line at 2 points. Mark this point as a P1, P2, P3 and P4. Similarly, mark the points P1, P2 and up to P4. Now we have to join all these points by using the French curve. Align the outer profile of a French curve in this way. At least minimum 3 points should be aligned with the outer edge of a French curve. Continue the curve up to the vertex V. Now reverse French curve. Align the outer edge of a French curve. Align at least 3 points and draw a smooth curve passing through these 3 points. Now here final join the curve passing through the point 1 and vertex V. Now label the curve. Draw arrow. Be careful that whatever the arrows which we are drawing in this drawing should be of a same pattern, same dimensions. Write hyperbola in capital letters. Control the line thickness and the darkness. Only the curve of hyperbola should be the dark, and apart from this other should be very faint.